Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a clean and professional logo in Canva. This is perfect whether you're designing for personal projects, clients, or your own brand. Okay, once you're in Canva, go to the upper left corner and click Create a Design. Simply type logo. Canva will now show you some of the available formats. For example, we have the standard logo, a animated logo, Twitch logo, t-shirt logo, and many more. For this tutorial, we are going with the standard logo, since it's the most versatile for social media, websites, and printing. Once you're inside the editor, go ahead to the left sidebar and click Templates. Canva can give you thousands of pre-made logo layouts. To start, you need to think of the theme of your logo first. For example, the logo that I want to make is for a coffee shop. Let's type in coffee. And it will now show us some free templates that we can use to draw some inspiration from, or even use which we can just revise the design. For example, I want to draw some inspiration from this one. It's a simple minimalist coffee logo. Basically, just choose any template that you like, but remember we're mainly using this as inspiration, not for copying directly. An optional choice is generating theme elements using Canva's AI. On the left sidebar again, go ahead and click Elements. And as you can see here, you have the option to generate image using a prompt. For example, I want to generate an inspiration for my logo instead. So I'm going to add a new page. I'm going to type in After clicking Generate Image, using the prompt that I added in the bar, you can see that Canva has now created the designs that I want. Once again, the only reason why we use the free template is because we just want to draw some inspiration from this. Afterwards, you can just edit the text. For example, I want to change this as coffee cozy. You can play around a bit with the element. You can remove this coffee mug element and replace it with another minimalist element. However, one of the downsides of AI is that we cannot edit this gibberish text that it generated. As you can see here, I'm trying to click it, but to no avail. Another alternative is if we go back to the Canvas homepage, close this, and open Canva AI, we can basically just input the prompt here. Close this and click on logo. Click submit and it will generate a logo for us that we can properly edit. Once it has generated your idea, you can go ahead and click one of the generated images it made. Again, this is your own preference. For example, I want to edit this one. Use Canva Editor. And I can finally edit some of the text. Okay, let's try to move this to the original project that we made. Page and paste. Okay, again, you can go ahead and revise this. You can go ahead and revise the colors, the text, any other elements that you want, and many more. Okay, once you're happy with the design, you can go ahead and export your final product. So click Share, click on Download, and choose a PNG. If you have Canva Premium, you can go ahead and toggle Transparent Background. After downloading the final product, you have gotten yourself a ready-to-use logo for your shop, website, or brand. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.